Personal Trust business model is designed to look after our predominantly retired client base. Not only do we have a conservative investment management style, as a trust company, we specialize in trust and estate planning and often assume a fiduciary responsibility. We also have a money market where we structure our clients' cash investments and are able to make ad hoc payments from those investments as well as regular monthly payments. We employ 2 dedicated staff members whose role it is to provide care and compassionate support in times of need. We believe that we have a competitive advantage in the management of retirement capital. My trust officer colleagues and myself have lived through 2 stock market crashes, one in 1998 at the Asian crisis and the second one more recently in 2008. And we've faced our clients across the table when sometimes share markets have been down by somewhere between 30 and 40% because of our policy of diversifying across a whole range of different asset classes. And we've been able to help manage our client expectations through those times of crisis. In fact, we were delighted that the Personal Trust Managed Fund was awarded the Morningstar Award for the best aggressive asset allocation fund for 2016. The Personal Trust Prudent Fund has been in existence for nearly 15 years now. When we designed the fund, we set the benchmark at inflation plus 5%. And the history over the last 15 years suggests that the Personal Trust Prudent Fund has managed to outperform its benchmark, which is the CPI plus 5, over that whole 15-year period. We acknowledge that clients are unlikely to employ one manager or invest in one fund with their total retirement capital savings. Therefore, we have designed, alongside our managed fund and conservative fund, the Prudent Fund, which is a multi-managed fund for clients' preservation funds and retirement annuities. Personal Trust does not manage the assets. The assets are managed by top-performing fund managers. Our role is to select and blend these asset managers together to create one multi-managed fund solution for our clients in retirement capital investments. Our selection criteria when we come to invest in these funds is to look at the person managing the money, to look at the team behind that person, to have a look at the performance track record, but in addition to interrogate the assets within the fund, the shares selection, the bond selection, the offshore component of the fund. As investment managers, we're able to intelligently interrogate those investments and see whether they would be appropriate for our clients' retirement capital. One of the criticisms of multi-managed fund solutions is the cost. Because of the size of the assets that Personal Trust manages within the Prudent Fund, we've been able to negotiate with most of the managers competitive wholesale fee structures, which we then pass on to our clients for their benefit. In summary, Personal Trust's role is to select and to blend the various fund managers together in one multi-managed solution for our client, to negotiate the most competitive fee structures that we can on behalf of our clients, and to interrogate the portfolios that we put into the multi-managed solution to ensure that they are appropriate for our clients' risk appetite and their expectations of performance for their retirement capital.